Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Fiat 500 2019 model. Customer stay airbag light on. I'll start the car and I'll show you. You can see dashboard this side, airbag light on. Basically, when I check with my launch computer, it didn't give any clue. Then I'm a bit stuck. Luckily, I have another computer. This is Hotel. You can see it say B012D2F active. Driver door pressure sensor, satellite, signal, erratic. Right. Basically, according to these faulty codes, we done many past also well. Something not right in this driver door. There is a sensor inside the driver door. Basically, we need to take out the panel. I'll show you how we going to take out the panel. Then after that, we need to read to the sensor. Basically, if you work with the door trim, what we need to do, we need to use always like a plastic trim tool. Right. I'm going to remove from here. Right. You can lift up from here. Basically, there is a one clip. Then after that, you can take out. When you start from the front, careful, this tiny clip snap, then all hanging. Because of that, you need to start from behind this clip. Just fly out, then you are fine. Then after that, we need to remove this. I'm going to take out the key and leave it out of way. Better to disconnect the battery, but however, I'm not too much fast because I done many fast. Right. After that, same thing here. It's going to the two grooves. You have to take out from the top. Right. After that, there is a two Allen keys. Basically, another Allen key head here. Right. Three nut we need to remove. Right. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it and press bell icon. You can get lot of video like this. Also, if you need to join our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, I will add the link in the description. You can click that link and you can join there and you can ask many questions, many mechanic there. Then you will get the answer in there. I'm also in there. Right. Now, we need to remove the door panel. Hopefully nothing underneath. Right. After that, we need to take a big trim tool and start from one side. Right. Then after that, one side you open, then you can go slowly, gently, because this plastic always delicate. Right. Okay. Now you can lift up door panel. Right. Okay. Then after that, what we need to do, we need to disconnect this cable. Otherwise, you can't take out this cart. You have to do lift up from here in the middle. There is a hook. Right. You can see this hook. Just press down and take out. Then after that, you can disconnect from here. White clip, disconnect. Then after that, you can take out the cable. Then after that, there is another switch for the, what do you call, I think it's a control in the mirrors. So I'm going to disconnect that one also. Well, right. What you need to do, you need to press this one, this tab, remove all out. Now we have access to the door panel. Oh, I feeling someone worked this area before, that's why tape here. See, anyway, it's not my problem. Sometime someone try to work around, it's not work, left it as it is, or something else. See, right. Right. We talk about this sensor. This is the talking sensor. Right. What you need to do, I'm going to disconnect this wire and have a look what's going on here. Basically, I can't see any problem for this sensor. I feeling something electrically not right. Right, it's locked again. Right, what I'm going to do next step, I have some suspect here. This door cart in here, there is a boot, need to take out and visually have a look what's going on there. Yeah, once I open this boot, you can see here this boot. Once I open, I visually check. If I found out anything, I'll show you. At the moment, I'm going to open this cover. We went all through the wiring through inside. After that, I'll remove from here. We can take out this plug, pull this blue clip down. Then after that, you can disconnect from here. Once I disconnect, you can see here one wire broken, two wires broken, and some wires I can see the melt here before. Also, someone done some amendment here, but however, inside all melted. Because of that, I couldn't do the amendment and the very short wires, so I'm say we need a new wiring loom. However, we will order another wiring loom and come back to you. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Finally, we got the brand new parts from the Ancaster. They are the main supplier here. So we try to find out used part. However, once I quoted to the customer, parts available, but unfortunately after 2 hours wiring loom missing. Then after that we struggled to find the used part last week, sort of. We couldn't find it the correct part number, because part number in the wiring loom, but however we couldn't find the correct part. So after that we don't have any other option, because this car MOT run out tomorrow. Then however we need to do as soon as possible before MOT run out. Yeah, we got the brand new parts, and I spent, basically not to the customer, spent nearly 500 for this tiny wiring loom. We found the online around 80-90 pounds, but however after 2 hours, once I got the approval from customer, I'll try to order, it's gone. So no any option, we had to install new one. Once I install new one, I'll come back to you. What we need to do, we need to go through the all connectors. You can see one connector here, one connector here. What we're going to do, we lined up from here, and after that remove from the inside one, and same time we install, remove, new one install, old one remove, new one install. We need to follow the old wiring loom. Then after that, yeah, fine, it's not hard, but however at the moment I'm not going to do the filming, but it's very easy. Right, once we install everything, after that I need to do the tape nicely, make sure all okay, like put it together and do the tape, and after that I install the door panel. Whatever I'll remove, I had to repeat opposite way. I'm thinking it's not hard. Right, also I feeling I need to remove this mirror also, because one line come into the mirror. I'll show you how we going to remove the mirror cover. Basically we need to remove this plastic cover. You can see tiny hole there, right? Yeah, just fold the mirror and this stay with the clips, just fly out from the top in here, then you are fine. After that, I didn't feel, we don't want to remove the whole mirror, but only we can disconnect here, right? Then after that we can take into the wiring harness and we can reconnect from here. Okay, then same time if you need to remove the your door mirror complete, same thing, fly out, there is a 2 screws, you can remove that screws and you can change the complete mirror, it's not hard. Then after that I'll follow the all wiring, and same time I feeling we need to, this is holding with 3 rivet, I need to drill and take out the this rivets, take out the speaker, then we know exactly what we are doing inside. Then after that I will rivet again and fix the speaker. We install everything, install door panel, all good. At the moment I didn't install this cover because I need to, sometime I need to plug in the computer. This is the cause. You can see this wire broken, this wire broken, something melted inside, and this side something happened. Yeah, see the some DIY jobs also there. Yeah, because this one not possible to reinstall. If your wiring harness broken like this, you could be experience airbag light on like this car. Sometime you can't operate your windows because this harness connected to the body control module. Then the body control module operating the all windows, airbags, all body controlling system. If you experience like this problem, might be you experience you can't operate the windows. Sometimes you can't access the, what do you call, the central locking. Yeah, lot of electric can play up if it have a like this problem. And the job, I didn't reset any warning light, I didn't use the computer at all. Now after the diagnostic, I'm start the car. As a theory that airbag light need to disappeared. You can see only the seat belt light on. Okay, I'm going to plug in seat belt. You can see no anymore airbag warning light. Like this problem, once you fix, you don't want to computer to reset anything. It's reset himself because it's problem the wires. Please like, subscribe. Have any question, comment section open for you. See you with the next video.